I'm just setting myself up before the market bell opens, getting myself preparing myself for my trading day inside of my trading journal. So just give me a few minutes. All right, yeah, we got about 5 minutes. 5 minutes until the bell open. Um, we are having a reaction to taking out this swing high. And we just took out the second swing high. All right, so we have these two pools of buy side taken out right before bell open. So my plan is if we start to get a market structure shift to the downside, I will short. This would be my target. And if anything, I will leave a runner for the downside to explore these areas. I don't know how far we may want to get today or how heavy we may want to get. But all right, market is open. Let's focus and see what we can do, what we can find. Anything pops up. So we got a 9:30 open. I'm about to put the 8:30 open. And the midnight open. I just want to see if this 15-second fair value gap holds or not. And if it does, then I'll look for entries on the real account. All right, so we have YM opening strong. ES kind of consolidating more. So uncorrelated markets, dollar, not really doing too much at the moment. That 15-second fair value gap did end up holding. So what we can do is start to look for, and I'm going super light in this trade. You just do 2 contracts.
Order filled.
At the high. And we can see how this plays out. Not too confident in this trade. It is a pretty aggressive entry. Um, Only reason why I'm taking this because we took out these highs in this 15-second fair value gap. We're reacting to it pretty nicely, respecting the bottom half. I don't want to see it come above, but if it does, that'll be fine. Won't be taking the second trade until I'm like super confident that the market's ready to move lower. But right now we're just testing the waters, low position size, aggressive entry. Um, we have YM looking like it wants to break down. See if it stays below this fair value gap. Um, ES kind of, I don't even know. ES looks messy right now. And NQ starting to look messy as well. Dow still looking heavy. Everything else is sloppy right now. Yeah, not really liking this price action. Just make this darker a little bit. So don't like these so markets uncorrelated. Yeah, ES going up, Dow going lower, dollar consolidating, not looking too good for our trade. Close to getting stopped out with our high being right here. Now from here, I need to see market going lower. Like we stay too longer around this range or go any higher, it's going to disqualify this trade. Because now we didn't touch the top of the 15-second fair value gap. I need immediate response. And if we like hang around here for too longer, I'll just manually close the trade. But so far, sloppy open. We do have our opening range gap, consequent encroachment right here. But yeah, low probability conditions we were already aware of. We have no red folder news today. Multiple FOMC members speaking. So that's the reason why we're going low size. And like if we lose this trade, I'm not gonna be pressed to try to find another re-entry considering that I'm already expecting a low probability day. But at the moment, if I was to take any trade, I would feel like I would be more confident in taking one toward the downside considering we just took out these two highs and any highs before here is all the way up here. So like if we don't go down from here, then we can expect to just have a move higher until we take out regular trading hours buy side. Yeah, this trade looking like it's gonna be a no go, but it's only $100, so I'll hold it. Body's still respecting it, but we just haven't done anything significant since the bell opened. All we did was consolidate so far. Um, the reason what made me want to enter the trade was seeing how aggressive Dow dropped. I was hoping that ES and NQ would follow, but it's looking like this could just be a messy run or sloppy AM session. Um, After this trade, I personally am not going to be stepping back in after seeing how messy we are and everything. So for Dow, we immediately took out clear buy side and broke down. Um, so now from here, all we can really do is just watch. So far, the 15-second fair value gap is holding. The body's respecting the bottom half of the gap, at least on the 1 minute. We closed above right here. Let's see if we could take these lows with some speed. If we could take these lows with some speed, then that would make me a little bit more confident. But looks like we might be ready to start breaking down finally. So we are a little under 12 minutes in since bell open, and still no fair value gap has formed on the 1 minute. All right, so from here, I will move my stop. At this point, I don't want to see the market come back up here. So on my real account, I'm moving into break even. Practice account, I don't really mind it being here. Let's see what everything else is doing. YM still heavy, slowed down a little bit, but ES is finally starting to break down along with NQ, which is what we would like to see. To see if we can get a continuance to the downside. We just hit 8:30 a.m. open. That handle was crazy a little bit, but hey. My cat over here scratching the wall, making me have goosebumps and shit. But we got consequent encroachment of this wick. So far, the bodies are respecting this order block, this bearish order block. Let's see if we can break this low right here. So from here, ideally, I would like to see large candles to the downside, taking out these lows right here, ultimately hitting our terminus, seeing if we can hit consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. What price is that? 794. Or actually, all right. So these are things. This is what I wouldn't want to see. Like we just broke this low, but we didn't close. We didn't close below it. So now I would want to see like heavy candles, like very soon. I wouldn't want to hang around here for too long. But considering dollars starting to break down, that's not ideally. So ideally, if we're expecting lower prices and indices, we want to see dollars supporting it by being bullish. We're not seeing that right now, but regardless, I wouldn't want to hang around here for too long. I want to see large candles to the downside from here after taking out this low. We did take out this low as well. So all that's left on the table, and we hit midnight open. All that's left on the table is this low, sell side, and London low, and opening range gap, consequent encroachment. Anything below there, if I had a larger size, I would leave runners on to attack these, but I'm fine with and content with getting out right here. Low key about to take a partial at midnight open. So I'll take a partial.
Order filled.
Partial here. Right, and we have our sell side and London low hit. All we have currently is our runner. So at this point, we could be very aggressive with our stop. So from here, now that our targets are booked, I'm very aggressive with my stop. If the market wants to start running away and being heavy from here, I have a runner. I will leave the runner just to see how far we can get and where we can explore to the downside. But if price like slows down and comes back up to
Order
here,
filled.
then I still secure my trade at the end of the day. On a roll account, we're out 227 on a day, only risk $100. So um, that's that business. This account sits at 821, $821. So still ways to go on that. January price action hasn't been the greatest. I should have stayed out, but there we go. That's the trade right here. That's it for me today. It was pretty sloppy, and ugly, but PD arrays, um, held fairly. We had a gap down from yesterday's closing price. We had 8:30 midnight open and discount. And yeah, we saw what I was expecting. Let me update my trade journal. Y'all saw what I was expecting, what I waited for, the reasoning behind it, um, the trade management, my expectations in the trade, um, all of that. So that is the trade. I'm about to update my trading journal, and that'll be it. I hope you learned something. I will be doing this every day. starting next week. Today was just I recorded yesterday. I recorded this whole week per se, but I was just getting used to OBS and getting back into like making videos or whatnot because I haven't done it in a long time. So I just had to like reteach myself the basics. So just working on that. But there you have it. I'm about to step away, so I won't be tempted to take any more trades. It is Friday. I got my piece of the cake. Um, and yeah, that's it. I am done. I will just update my journal real quick. And plus 227. Played out as expected. Alright, that was it. Rules: follow the trading plan, follow risk management, maintain good mental state, yada yada yada, all that. Um, yeah, this is just how I journal my trades. If you guys want to do this, this is called Notion. It's a very good platform, in my opinion. Um, I would like to use TradeZilla one day. I just don't want to pay for it at this very moment. But as an alternative, this is what I use. I made all of this myself. If you're interested in how to set this up like that, just comment below and I'll make a video showing and explaining how to make this template. But that's gonna do it today. Even though the conditions were what they were, trading was still pretty efficient. So that's that. As far as me, I'm proud of that I made the decision to lower my size considering all the like FOMC speakers today. It is Friday. I was already up on a week, so don't want to go heavy. Trying to reduce my exposure of risk in these markets. It's still January. January's price action hasn't been the best as we still been stuck in this consolidation. But yeah, we used to look at the market real quick. We're dropping pretty aggressively. That's a nice drop. But yeah, like if I would have gotten heavier, I would leave in a runner for all of this. Um, I wasn't expecting us to be that heavy today, but if we do decide to explore anything, we do have these lows. I'll check back in the PM session. If anything, I'll come out. If I am on the charts, I'll record, but I'll just practice on my paper trading account. No need for me to go back in the market today. I already took my win. But yeah, that's a nice drop. You just dropped a good about 150 points. I believe I got 781, 64. A little less than 100 points that we caught. But yeah, All right. I keep saying this, but yeah, I'm very about to end this now. There you have it. Hope you learned something. I will see you guys. It is Friday. Over the weekend, I will be just studying, back testing, going over my stuff, and preparing myself for next week. I haven't checked the economic calendar for next week, but I'll do so over the weekend as I'm preparing myself. But good luck, good trading, and I will see you guys next week.